Hi, I'm Poppy. Someone asked me why I post to YouTube. Well, I gotta do something. This is at least productive. I might, impart some information to someone who wants it. Anyway, I've noticed that YouTube posters tend to be a helpful lot. We are always offering suggestions, even when not asked for. But if a YouTube poster says, "Hey guys, I'm having trouble doing this, how do you do it?" Oh, you can get mega million hours of new footage. The problem is you have to get people's attention. Down here with 10 subscribers, yeah, it's very easy for me to get blasé about monetization. Not gonna hold my breath. And let's see, donations and Patreon and a website somewhere where go to my website and I'm selling videos and T-shirts and that. There gotta be some response to what's here. No T-shirts. I don't design them. I don't silk screen them. I don't have a fan saying, "I love your show so much, let me do a silk screen T-shirt for your channel." That ain't happening. Stickers. No. Same story with the stickers. Hats, jackets, belt buckles. You catch the drift? Well, why don't you do it yourself? Some things I don't do, so I wouldn't even try. And then, when you don't have money, he said the nasty word, money. Yeah. It all boils down to that filthy stuff. The root of all evil. Takes it to make it. If you aren't born into it,